Assalamualaikum! Welcome back sa ating channel. So for today, i-assemble natin itong solar electric fan na binili natin online. And if hindi nyo pa napanood yung unboxing natin, please do watch on that one. Yan. So without further ado yan, let's do the assemble. I do hope may assemble ko siya ng tama at walang maging problem or anything. Pero may instructions naman siya. So let's follow that instructions. So, let me put here lang yung mga product na meron or kasama nung item na ito. So, ayan. Sana marunong tayo, diba? Sana at madali lang siya, diba? Hey, where's the... Here. Ay, ito pang tornilyo ng kwanto sa solar Anyway. Let's put it here. So, it says here, unscrew. Assembling instructions. Front grill blade. Okay. And so, let's do it. So, yung base. So, I'll put it here muna. This and this in here. And also this one. So, i-unscrew lang natin ito sa bay. Ito ko, dapat ganyan. Ayan siya. Okay. Tapos, ito ba? Need ko ba ito ibalik? Okay. Nakakatayo ka ba? Oh, nice. Next. Walang stand. So, diretso na ito yung gaganyan. Oops. Sweet. Ayan natin. Okay. So, here's the tube. Wherein we will put in this. Baba lang natin muna para makita natin. So, I think I have to unscrew this, yung sa likod. Para dumikit ito. Okay. Then, higpitan. Now, baba ko na to. Kasi, hindi na makikita. So, yan. And siya now, let's put, so I think this one, need natin i-remove. Loosen, ganun. Okay. Diba? Tapos, ito, tingin ko din alisin. Baliktad naman. Okay. Then, let's put the grills inside. Then, put it back. This one. Down next. Later. I'll get back to you. Then, LC. Then, this. Diba? Easy peasy. Okay. Pitan lang natin. Then, next is this. Okay. Saan nilagay na natin? Tapos, tingin ko ang silbi nito is para ilock anything under the... I don't think this one will work, so I'll just get a zip tie. Kasi kahit higpitan ko siya, Pag hinigpitan ko siya, it's not secure. So, I'll just get a zip. Bibili nito, please expect na hindi hindi ito durable or hindi siya matibay. Nilalagay, I think, here, or hindi lang ako marunong, pero for me, as a medyo praning na tita, I prefer to put some zip tie na mas matibay siya at hindi open itong electric fan na to. So, yan. Let's put some zip ties in here. Diba? Kaysa mapahamak pa yung mga tao ng dahil dyan. Ayun. That's the, disadvantage, I would say. In this one, kasi hindi siya yung typical na electric fan na meron siyang may lock yung grills. This one doesn't have any lock sa grills. So, lagyan na lang natin ng zip tie. So, yan. So, prepare the zip tie na maliit lang para ma-lock natin yarn. And now, let's put this one sa panel. Nasaan yung panel? Ayun. Para malagyan natin siya sa taas, sa aming babaw ng aming bobongski. Easy-peasy lang naman ilagay. Yan. So, lalagyan natin to sa bubong para ma-try natin. Now, let's try the moment of truth. Natin. Oops. Natin. Yan. Up natin. Ay, yun na yun talaga. Okay, fine. If you don't want to go up. Since gusto naman ang pamangkin kong nakababa. So, yeah. Let's do the moment of truth. Is it? This is number 1. Oh. Okay. Wala pang ano yan ah. Wala. Hindi pa nakasaksak ah. Mayroon lang siyang battery. Then, 2. Ooh. 3. Nice. And then, I think this red here, para sa ilaw. Okay. And let's turn it off. Nice. Na. So, that's it. Assemble na natin ang ating solar electric fan. And ito, sa mga bibili, mag-iintindihin to. Hindi siya maganda, hindi wala siyang quench. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap niya, pero hindi siya nakakatulong para i-lock yung itong product na to. So, I just use a zip tie para ma-lock siya. And ayun lang, lalagyan na natin ito sa ating bubong. I do hope na gusto niyo itong vlog na to on how we how we assemble this solar electric fan na binili natin. So, please don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. And follow me on my social medias and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So, thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye!